Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Windows Server on virtual machine. Okay, so one thing you should do is you have to download Windows Server from uh, Microsoft website. Okay, and you can find easily. So I have already downloaded the ISO file, Windows Server uh, 2022. Okay, and today I will show you how to install on virtual machine. Okay, I use a VMware Workstation, as you can see. And first thing, we should first create a new virtual machine. How we can do that? It's very easy. Once you open the workstation, okay, you see this page. Click on create a new virtual machine. So custom, yes, next. Workstation, okay, that's okay. There is three option: installer disk image. I will install the operating system later, so I will choose this option. I just create the new virtual machine now. Next, what kind of operating system will you install? Windows. Okay. Windows, here you have to choose Windows Server 2022. Okay, and next, yeah, that's also okay. Next, yeah, the number of processor is also okay. Yeah, 2 GB RAM, but you can choose 4 GB, but I will go with 2 GB. Okay, next, next, next. Create new virtual disk. I will go with 60 GB, but you can change it. How much gigabyte do you want? So next. The virtual machine has been created, and now we have to put the CD. We have to put the ISO file. Okay, click on CD or DVD. Okay, and once you clicked, you will see this window, and there is use ISO image file. Okay, choose this file and go to the ISO file. I have the ISO file on my desktop. As you can see, this one, I will put it here and click OK. So I put it already the image file here, and now I can install the Windows Server on virtual machine. I click power on this virtual machine, and at the same time I already click press any key. As you can see, Windows setup. I will enter loading files. As you can see, yes, if you are already new here on my YouTube channel, you can do subscribe my channel and share with your friends if the video helped you. As you can see, now I have to choose the language, so I will go with English, and the keyboard format I will change it into just a minute, Swiss German. Okay, but you can choose English if you want. Click next, install. Setup is starting, and you can actually click on I don't have the product key. And now there are different version of Windows Server. I will go with a desktop experience. Okay, Windows Server 2022, a standard desktop experience, and click next. Accept, click next. Custom install, yes. Okay, next. As you can see, it's installing. Very easy and very simple. That's how you can install Windows Server on VMware Workstation virtual machine. And now we have to wait until the installation is finished. It will restart many times during the installation. So yeah. If you are new here, and go to YouTube and search for Antic. This is my YouTube channel where you can learn many things. And here you can find useful videos. Okay, if you have any problem, any question, you can just drop them in the comment section and I will answer your question as soon as possible. Yeah, guys. And let's see the downloads 70% installation. Sorry. Installation will be actually finished soon. Installing updates. The update has been installed. It is restoring in 7 seconds. Starting service and it's getting ready 50% and 100%. It will restart many times. You don't have to do anything. You should just wait. Okay, I have to set a password. Okay, for this. And finish. Finalizing. Applying computer setting. Yeah, congratulations. The installation has been successful. So now I have to press Control Alt Delete. Yeah, and type my password. Yeah. That's how you can install Windows Server 2022 on VMware Workstation. Very easy and very simple. Yeah. If the window is small, one thing you could do is right click on the Windows Server and install VMware tools. Okay, let's install it together. Yes, click OK. As you can see here, VMware tools. Click on that and runs the setup. preparing for installation. Windows Server Manager. Let's install the VMware tools. Okay, standard install. Don't show this message again. Let's close the server manager. As you can see, the window. Yeah, that's how you can make big. And no, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section, and I will be very happy to help. That's how you can easily install Windows Server on virtual machine. See you in the next video.